The Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF has announced another senior command reshuffle, with Lieutenant Colonel Francis Lofu being transferred to Masvingo Province to take command of a 4.1 combat group. Zarabina congratulations another leadership shakeup at the Zimbabwe Defense Forces headquarters. Please subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina muna mobile information. Lieutenant Colonel Lofu takes over from Colonel Madison Moyo, who has been reassigned to the Zimbabwe Defense Forces headquarters in Harare for a new appointment. The change of command was marked by a handover takeover ceremony attended by senior military officers, featuring military displays and the traditional protocols that accompany leadership transition within the Zimbabwe National Army. Speaking during the ceremony, Colonel Moyo reflected on his tenure and thanked officers and soldiers for their support. Accepting his new role, Lieutenant Colonel pledged to lead with dedication and professionalism. I humbly accept the responsibility to command 4.1 Combat Group with the seriousness it deserves. I take this responsibility with humility, gratitude, and a deep sense of duty, he said. Commander 4 Infantry Brigade Brigadier General Oscar Chuma, who presided over the ceremony as the Chief Lieutenant General, emphasized the importance of unity, discipline, patriotism, and cooperation between security services and local communities. The latest redeployment comes amid a series of command changes within Zimbabwe's security sector in recent years, since assuming power following the military-assisted transition that removed former President Robert Mugabe in power in 2017. President Emmerson Mnangagwa has overseen several reshuffles within the military, intelligence services, and other security institutions. Political analysts have often interpreted such appointments and transfers as part of broader efforts to consolidate authority, manage succession dynamics, and maintain influence within institutions that have historically played a significant role in Zimbabwe's political landscape. The country's military has maintained close ties with the ruling ZANU-PF party since the liberation struggle, with the senior military figures frequently moving into political and government positions after retirement. Roma developments are kudapangwa PANECHAMISA section members of Muro any more to subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.